Right, so let's have a walk around. Let's understand everything that's in here with the sample data, right? So, homepage is going to be where you can create or set up any of these grids to be what information you need. What am I looking at? Am I looking at my open tasks? Am I looking at leads? Am I looking at potentials or deals that I've got to close? Contact information. You can set this up. What's my pipeline look like? You can set this homepage up to be your quick look, grab information. Feeds is what's happening, is what's new. Nothing obviously in there at the minute. We're brand new to it, you know. New day, working on a quote for police station, whatever it is, right? And that'll send it, and you can, you know, as a team, you can all see each other's stuff, and other people can come in and comment. Leads. So we're going to talk about leads, accounts, and contacts, right? Now, leads are, in my opinion, hearsay things, grapevine things, you know. So that says, that one just said, working on a quote for the police station. Now, somebody in the police station might say, oh, the fire station are going to be looking at upgrading soon, or whatever you're doing. So I work for security companies. So say we're doing a fire alarm at the police station. The head guy at the police station says, oh, the fire station are next. They're going to upgrade their fire alarm. Right, there's a lead there. And you would come here and add a lead. You would add so-and-so's name if you had it at the fire station. And it would sit there as a lead. It wouldn't sit as a job or an account until you actively went to chase it. If you then went and said, right, we're going to actively contact, and this is a real lead that we think we can convert, you would then convert the lead into an account and a contact. Don't worry, I'm going to go through it all again in the next lesson. As we go through each lead, I'll go leads, accounts, contacts, deals. So what you do is you transfer a lead to an account and a contact. Now, accounts are the businesses. And if you work with individual people, then accounts may be just a person's name. But it's, you know, you can see it, Printing Dimensions, More Long Associates, Truller. So what accounts are is the business name, the business information, the top end. This is the account. Basically, you can look at it as the account that's going to pay the bill, where you're going to send the invoice to, because you wouldn't send the invoice to the contact. Well, you would send the invoice to the contact, but you would put it in the account's name, it with a business's name, and then you send it. So this is top level accounts. And then obviously you can have as many contacts as you want for that account. So the contacts are people who work for that business. I don't know if there's this account attachment. I don't think. Oh, there's no contact for that motoring one, right? It's probably the only one I would have thought. There you look. Oh, this is great sample data, and they don't have actually any they don't have any contacts in the in any of them. But what you can do is you can do it, reverse it anyway. You can go to contacts, go to Chris Maria, and say that contact works for a certain account. So if I go to edit and they see account name, I can associate it with that More Long Associates. So now when I go to More Long Associates, I'll see contacts, and then that person works for them, right? And then that information. So that is leads, hearsay, grapevine. Accounts are the businesses that you work with. Contacts are the people who work for those businesses. Deals are going to be your quotes, your potentials, your deals that are in the pipeline, be it deals that are that you're chasing to close. And it works in this Kanban view setting. It's a big rate. It's a popular thing. You can change it. We can change all these views. We'll talk about changing views to make it look like what you want to see. And obviously deals is your pipeline. What stage is this deal at? And you can drag and drop and throw these ones around. You know, but you're obviously looking to get to closed won. That's a big thing. In obviously any business, any sales pipeline, your goal is to get them to the bottom of the pipeline to sales won. I probably just got an email there saying, yeah, see, and it'll tell you big deal alert, because I dropped that onto closed one, it sent an email to the sales team saying someone's just closed it again. Look, just so you're gonna be able to see who closes deals and stuff. So that's deals. We'll talk in depth again about that. Activities is the tasks, the things that you've done, tracking phone calls, tracking customers. Look, here's your high-paying customers. Here's your open deals. Here's your leads and your contacts that you might want to, and here's your others. But you'll be able to assign tasks, and you'll be able to change this view to whatever you want again. So that is the activity. I'm not sure. I don't think projects is part of the free plan. I think that's sat there, but I'll have another check before when I go offline and make sure that if projects is on the free plan. Otherwise, I won't show it here. That's obviously managing the project. If you've got a big quote, you can manage it, and if you sign off the quote, you can manage the job. And then in here, reports, all sorts of reports we go into in a future lesson. Campaigns is you can track a deal via a campaign. So if you've done a Facebook ad for whatever service you offer, and somebody says, "Oh, I saw your advert on Facebook," then you click that, you tag that deal to that plan, to that campaign, and you can see how much work you've got from that advert. If it's Yellow Pages or something like that, if you've paid for Yellow Pages space, and you say to people, "Oh, just out of interest, how did you get our number?" You say, "Oh, we got it out Yellow Pages." Then you can track over the course of the year how much did your Yellow Page advert cost versus how much money did it make for you. So that's campaigns. Visits again is, I'll have to look at if this comes with a free version. This is Sales IQ, logging how many visitors are to your website, where they are, and it's saying chat, see who's visit. I'm surprised if that is in the free version, but again, I'll check. And then documents, storing documents, frequently used documents, uploading, maybe it's brochures or manuals or frequently used items, for your business. You know what I mean? You'll get a customer ask for something, you just jump in here, there it is, it's that logo, it's that PDF, how to switch off a burglar alarm or how to change something on your boiler, whatever it is. So this is where we're at. The free version, that's the tabs explain, that's the walk around. We're going to get into it in a deeper sense, so you can grasp what it can do for you. And we'll be talking about mobile devices and stuff and what you can see on your mobile.